there's a better way to build with AI, not what you are currently doing or what you are thinking of. In today's age, 2025, AI is a predicting machine. And in order to get the best out of it, you need to provide it the right information so it gives you the right results. And one of the ways to build applications faster and go very, very fast with AI is what I'm going to take you through this week. This week, I'm going to take you through the journey of my strategy of how I'll be using AI to build applications very, very fast. And we see how best things will go. Anything might happen in the week, I don't know. But that's the main thing I want to take you through the week. And then see how best everything's going to go. With that being said, let's go. You realize every single project is having this kind of like attributes that is by default attached to it. That is a landing page, payment system, database, and then authentication. Just four. And one of the things I have come to realize with people building applications is that indie hackers especially is that they always think about the database, like what kind of database should they go with. They want to be specific with what they are working with. Anyone you go with is very, very cool. Just make sure you know what you are working with. That is the most important thing. And what I'm going to do right now, in order to build very, very fast, you need to have this stuff laid down for you, like laid down for you properly. So I'm going to straightforward work on a boilerplate for myself. I know there are other boilerplates there. There's Shape Fast, and then there are the rest. But I want to build this one for myself and then for deploy bots. So what I'm going to do is build a boilerplate for a web version boilerplate, a mobile version boilerplate, and then a desktop version boilerplate. I have been working on boilerplates for quite some time now because as I said earlier, every platform depends on like a foundation, like which is the payment and then the other stuffs. And I'm locking in with Upright. Upright is what I'm going with, like fully from deployment to hosting to database to storage and other stuff. I want to go with Upright. One of the reasons why I want to go with them is their local hosting stuffs. Yeah, I get to work with it locally. I can self-host, yes. And moving forward, I have been able to work on the web version. So I have been able to build a web boilerplate, which is having Stripe, has one-time payment, and then has subscription based working very fine. And I'm having Upright authentication also working very, very fine. I'm yet to add Stripe Paystack, which will be for local payments in Africa, and then we see how best things go. But even before I move on to working on that, I have a friend. He just got a new role in the accounting space, and he was worrying me with this his work that he has gotten this role, and he wants to build this mini app in the company. So I should assist him. I gave him VO to work with VO, and then let VO build it for him. I was thinking that would be like because he said something simple. He was building it, and then he got stuck somewhere. So he has he was like I should try my best and finish the stats for him. So I will be pausing the boilerplate stuffs and then help him with that one. But already I have the login and other stuffs working already. I'll be as the has the boilerplate, I'll be using that one to use as template to see how best my boilerplate is. Then from there we see how the day will go. Today I'll try my best and go to my mom's place, my mom's workplace, and then see her. It's been a while. Yeah. So um, let's see how the day goes. Onde usa mão? So I started my day off a bit early. Yeah, very, very early. Around 2. Yeah. Just to make sure I can get a whole lot of stunts done. Feeling a bit tired, a bit sleepy. But I'm using this stuff that is keeping me awake. It's like a snack. It's like a snack. Very hard to bite. Very hard to chew. That's what is keeping me awake. I've been taking breaks. I take breaks. I break. And after some time I come back. Feeling I'm feeling tired. I won't say I'm feeling a bit tired. I'm feeling tired. I've been able to work on my friend's platform. I've worked on 2 features, which are the daily and then the tax management. I've worked on them. Currently I'm working on PRs. I'm making PRs right now on another client's project. That's what we're doing. But I've still not worked on the boilerplate, the base stack thing. I've not integrated it, but I'll try my best to make sure with this hours or with this me waking up early would try my best to make sure something good or something, a lot of stuff will be done before the day goes to an end. So I'm not going to say so much. I'm just going to go back. I'm going to dive right deep into like work mode, serious work mode, and just see how the day would bring me. So maybe I'll talk to you in the evening. so far so good. The day was quite okay. Yesterday I wasn't able to talk. I'm talking today, which is Thursday, and I've gotten my boilerplate payment system completed, and I'm moving to the next one. So currently, I'm running my friend's platform for him. His project. I've I've built something. I've built two features and I've pushed it. So I told him he should try it and give me a feedback. So I'm using Upright. Remember I told you I'm going full time with Upright. Yeah, I want to go full time with them and then see how best I can go. And I will try and then make sure I learn stuff. I get to know them more and see how best I can work with them for long. I failed. Interesting. Sidebar. Something with a sidebar. I'll check it later. But the thing is, with the boilerplate, I've been able to complete the web version. So I have to move on to desktop or mobile. And the reason I'm doing this is because of me. I want to try my best and then go very very fast, like build steps very very fast. I shouldn't worry about this auth payment, those things. I shouldn't worry about them. Immediately I have an idea, I should just move forward, move straight into action. And that is what I have to do. So the formula for building with AI very, very fast will be with this. They should at least know what I'm about or know what I am thinking of, or it should at least know what I want, how I want the structure to be, because I see AI to be a predicting system. So I feel like, as in, I guide it properly for it to predict something I truly want. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do right now. And so, in terms of web and then desktop, I have to move to desktop, or I'll do web. No, I'll do mobile. I'll move on to mobile. My next step will be mobile, and mobile will be with Flutter. But with Flutter, I'm having two clients I'm currently working for, and they are requesting an app developed in React Native, not Flutter. And I don't know how to code in React Native. So I don't know. Maybe not. I don't know. But I'll be thinking about it, thinking of learning React Native, or I'll try to convince them to for me to use Flutter for their projects, and we'll see how best the day will go. But once I've built the web, I have to come up with something. I don't have to I don't have to leave it hanging. I have to come up with something and then see how best it's going to go. Currently, you can see I have an error which it failed, so I have to fix it. Okay, so with this formula in place, with this boilerplate I have in place, what I'll be doing nowadays is create a markdown, like create a markdown. I won't create a markdown. I would give it to Claude or GPT-4 to create a markdown of the whole code, the authentication, the database, like how it is structured. So once it lays all of them out for me, then I use that one as a base, the foundation, to build any feature I want to build. So it becomes much more comfortable to continue working with the AI and then see how best the prediction would turn out. Yeah. So that's a very, very good one. I forgot to add that one yesterday. Yeah. It's Friday. And I'm just going to check some stats in town. So um took my bath and then see how best the day would go. And the thing is, I want to say this. Um this is not a new thing. This is not a new space. You might be thinking I've moved to a new space. It's just my decks that I bought from my office, my home office, my parents' side, to my brother's space. I'm now staying with him. Um, I wanted to move from the comfort zone. It was a little bit of a comfort zone, and my mom was more of like too protective. Yeah, that protection was too much. So I wanted to try my best and then break off that comfort zone and then step out of it and then see how I can man up, So moved in with my brother and I'm seeing how best I can also try my best and then see how best I can move forward with whatever I'm doing or whatever strategy I have laid out. So this is a new space. My index is here. I'm saying mostly what you be seeing nowadays is me with my laptop and my desk and my space. And you know me already. You know your boy. He's all about improvement. So definitely I will try and upgrade my space to something much more comfortable and something much more awesome. Um, and yeah, I'm sure that is what I have for you. But all the same, no matter whatever you're having, you should try your best and see to it that you are improving. Bit by bit, I'm improving, but sometimes I need to prune off some stuff around me, like my mom. She's too protective. If you plan on doing something, you're like, no, there's that, and a whole lot. So right now she's not here. I can do something. I can do whatever I want to do, but at least after doing it, I just tell her I've done this. Over there, anything I do, her eyes are on me. All the same, have a wonderful week ahead of you. If